Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use BMW X3 paddle shifters. These handy controls, located behind your steering wheel, give you direct command over your vehicle's gears. They transform your driving experience, offering a sportier feel and more control. You can easily switch between automatic and manual modes, making your drive more dynamic and responsive. Let's dive into how to master them. To upshift, simply pull the paddle on the right side of your steering wheel. This will move you into a higher gear, ideal for gaining speed or cruising efficiently. You'll typically upshift as your engine's revolutions per minute, or RPM, increase. This smooth transition helps maintain momentum and can even contribute to better fuel economy during your drive. It's a simple way to feel more connected to your vehicle's performance. For downshifting, you'll use the paddle on the left side of the steering wheel. This action puts you into a lower gear, which is great for engine braking when slowing down or for getting a quick burst of acceleration out of a corner. Your BMW X3 will automatically revert to its standard automatic mode if you don't use the paddles for a short period. This offers a seamless blend of manual control and automatic convenience. To truly master your paddle shifters, practice in a safe, open area to get a feel for the timing and response. Using them effectively can significantly enhance your driving control and make every journey more engaging. Remember, they're there to give you a more dynamic connection with your BMW X3. Also, for those looking to simplify their week, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.